Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best fiber optic OTDR available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the fiber optic OTDR list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the fiber optic OTDR mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Portuguese English Bilingual OTDR Handheld Mini Multifunction Tester. This bilingual OTDR tester comes with an optical power meter and stable light source, making it versatile for fiber optic diagnostics. The handheld design and multifunction capabilities ensure flexibility for technicians in both Portuguese and English-speaking environments. Number 4. OMTiG Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Test 1550 nanometers, a multifunctional OTDR designed for active fiber testing. With a 1550 nanometers wavelength, 20 dB range, touchscreen, OPM, OLS, and VFL functions, it is a reliable device for fiber optics diagnostics, ensuring efficient and accurate results. Number 3. COMPTYCO AUA 513/516/501/500U/AOTDR with event map. This OTDR features a 1610 nanometers wavelength and a 22 dB dynamic range, ideal for live fiber testing. Its touch screen interface and event map make it highly efficient for diagnosing optical fiber networks. Suitable for professionals handling fiber infrastructure maintenance. Number 2. OFW Mini OTDR Optic Reflector Active Fiber Live Tester, a mini optical reflectometer that performs fiber live testing with a 1550 nanometers wavelength and 20 dB dynamic range. Its touch screen interface enhances usability for quick diagnostics. Equipped with OPM, VFL, and IOLA, this tester is highly efficient for testing active fiber networks. Number 1. Pro Mini OTDR Fiber Optic Reflectometer 980 Rev with 9 functions. This compact OTDR offers 9 essential functions, including VFL, OLS, OPM, and an event map. It operates with 24 dB dynamic range, enabling fiber testing for up to 64 km cable length, making it ideal for Ethernet network applications. With precise reflectometer capabilities, it ensures accurate fiber diagnostics. The user-friendly design is suitable for both professional and field use.